Welcome. Let's see if it's recording. I think so. Yeah. All right. So this will be a quick video. I figured I will show you some positions that I'm watching or positions that I'm thinking about getting into. So just a heads up on a couple of potential swing trades. Maybe recap something, but yeah, try to do this where I perhaps give you a signal and not only show you results all the time. I'm not sure if this is working. I think so. Anyway, this is no commercial, but this is some good shit right here. And don't judge. If you haven't tasted the white Monster Energy, it's a must. It's almost as good as red wine. 5, 6, 7 years ago or so, I was pretty much the only one with my ex-girlfriend at the time drinking the white Monster Energy, and right now I see them everywhere. So try that out if you haven't. Let's dive into the charts. All right, so let's start with Bitcoin first because it's happening something there. Sorry for the lag again. Maybe I should get my Twitter down. Follow me on Twitter if you haven't. Okay, so this is the same chart we've been watching so many times, but right now there's some action to the upside. So, like I've told you, don't get too excited until we see a close above, let's say, 45.5 or 45.6. So yeah, sure, this is good, this is exciting, but there's no reason to get out of bed just yet, even though it helps all of our moods when it's green, right? Let's look at some swing positions that I've had for a while now. I really need to do something about this Streamlabs. There's supposed to be, yeah, there we go. So I entered down there on that insane volume day. Yeah, so I'm looking for a 100% gainer here. I'm holding until we close above, below the 10-day EMA. It closed below here, however I didn't sell. I bent my rules. I think I was very busy at the time at my 9 to 5 right here, so I actually missed this. Otherwise I probably would have closed it. This is one that I'm not in, but I'm waiting, and I think the leading edge material stock is very exciting for many reasons, but it's also quite friendly to trade. So I'm watching for this one to close above the 485. That's where I will aim for a move. Let's see, let's take it from here and see what kind of percentages we're looking at. So yeah, this would be a 67% move if we take a technical target. Yeah, if we take a technical target from a flag, this doesn't really look quite as good with this breakdown right here, but this was let's call it black swan or extreme events that pushed this down right there. This one, yeah, this is exciting. Telcoin. I don't know why, but every time I tweet about it, I get. I'm not supposed to swear, I was so close, but I've heard it messes up the YouTube algorithm. But yeah, as you can see, this one has been strong. I've showed you this one when I showed you setups that I've played, but I actually tweeted this. So yeah, going to all-time high, this is like a 500-600% mover. But we were down here on this bearish or white candle. My candles are white and blue. It started actually with me thinking it was a nice layout for Twitter, since I had the dark theme and it was everything was blue. But then it actually also it takes away the emotions from seeing green and red on your screen. So we were on this bearish or white candle. We were right down here, and I tweeted. You can look it up in my feed. I tweeted, if this level holds, this is a no-brainer, or I don't remember what I said, but I said get in pretty much. And we are right now up 43% in right now, let's call it 3 days, but it was 2.5 days ago. And yeah, so this was a good swing. No reason to sell. Of course, we're at potential resistance right here, but I mean, come on, this still looks good. If you look at it from a bigger time frame, you see that there's room to the upside, and it's been doing absolutely nothing good since May, almost a year ago. Let's see, what else do we have here I wanted to show you. Let's show you another position. I mean, I also tweeted. I'm still holding this one because I believe that 2023 would be a good year for gold as soon as we broke out, and we did. And this is a stock that moves with the gold price. Let's see. So yeah, I missed the major breakout on this one. This right here at the, let's call it 2050 area. But I will show you where I got in. I actually tweeted this also, I think. So when we had this major move on increasing volume, we then started to pull back. I tweeted that this would be a potential area where you could get in on the 10-day EMA, because if this was a strong move that was anticipated to continue, I wouldn't want to see it close below the 10. So as soon as we were around the 10-day EMA, if that also aligned with, say, potential support, I would get long, because it would offer up a great risk reward, and it did. So I got long. I think I like almost catched the local low right here. But yeah, so I'm still in it, riding this one. This is of course not as volatile as Telcoin or the others, but this is a 40% move. However, it's let's call it one of the more slow movers that I would get interested in. But since I have faith in gold, believe it or not, even if I'm also trading crypto, I liked it, and it's always good to, even if I swing trade, have swings that are not all correlated to one and another. This one I found today actually, and I think it's very exciting if it holds up. It has insane volatility. Sorry. Let's have this one lag. Oops. Okay. I will zoom out to give you a better picture. I have no clue what this stock is doing. It was screened from my trading view settings. From my trading view screener. Down here, stock screener. Down to the left is where my mouse is. And I told you in my video where I told you how I trade and my favorite setups and so on, I told you I screen on ADR and volume on American Stock Exchange. As soon as we broke this on major volume, as you can see, and we took out this level, that to me signals that there's a potential shift. And when I look at this and I look at the y-axis, I can see that there's absolutely insane movement in this stock. So we were just a couple of days ago at like 13. Right now we're at 6. And just at the beginning of the year, we were at $3. So this to me could be a perfect entry right here. So take this stock into account. Let's say it's the KLXE ticker. This aligns with both the diagonal trend line resistance, which can now be confirmed as support soon if this holds. That's one thing I like here. I like the massive volume that comes from this push up to the upside, and this diagonal line also coincides with many of the EMAs right here and the potential horizontal support. So entering a trade right here would offer up a great risk reward to my system, where I could have a stop loss right here to invalidate this level and the significance, or below this EMA right here. And of course, if I take this trade and I believe this will hold, I'm 100% willing to lose and have my stop loss triggered. That's just the name of the game. So, however, if this holds and we make another push to the upside here soon, just going back to the local high right here where we were a few days ago is a 100% move. And if, I'm not saying we will, but just to show you how insane this is a stock, this is not a cryptocurrency, but going back to the, let's say, 2019 highs is a 20x move. That's a 2000% move. So sometimes I find these kinds on my screen, and of course I keep them on my watch list. This one I was just lucky enough to see that this was down here straight away. I didn't have to wait for it. So I figured I would just start a recording and upload it, and potentially this may break down before some of you see it, or it may break to the upside, and it wouldn't offer up a great entry for a good risk reward. So keep that in mind. I'm 100% not confident in this. Absolutely not. I'm 100% confident in the randomness. So I'm fully aware this can break down. I'm not saying it has to go to the upside. I'm just saying this right here to me offers up a great risk reward and a great entry that I'm potentially willing to take. I'm gonna see, yeah, and also you have, let's just see here. What I can see immediately, if you look at the RSI, is this can confirm a major potential hidden bullish divergence, which is great. You have the potential local higher low right here. If this holds, you would have a lower low right here than compared to this one, which is this I'm measuring to. And you have Stokes down here, the stochastic RSI, that have resetted and could cross to the upside. Yeah, so this is a daily swing. Just wanted to let you know. And yeah, this I think this will be it. So don't forget to subscribe if you don't want to miss more of these opportunities, or yeah, also follow me on Twitter. And yeah, if you don't want to miss the opportunities I tweeted on Telcoin or any other stocks or cryptocurrencies, it would be suggested to follow and subscribe here on YouTube. But yeah, that's it. So take care. And yeah, oh my God, this was a long video. Sorry. Have a good one.